The package that I've been anticipating is finally here. It's pretty quick considering that it's from Korea. I got two things from Korea, and it is from a website called Inside Object. They are like a stationery slash home, everything that's from Korea. And I think the website is very new because I never came across one a few years ago. But yeah, I got two stuff, and I'm very excited for both of them, but especially one. Okay. I got a Huginn and Muninn calendar, a wood bar calendar. Let me see if I can show it to you. I got the small one. I wanted the bigger one, so they sell it in a bigger and much bigger ones as well. But they're out of stock for that one. And I think I ordered this December 27th, so by that time I think they started selling in November, and I definitely didn't know about the website up until I've been trying to get this calendar from this brand, Huginn and Muninn, from like years ago, but at the time they didn't ship internationally, but now they finally do. I think the demand for this calendar internationally is pretty big. It is kind of small, but thankfully it's not too small. I was thinking it would be like smaller than this, but this is not bad. Would love to get the bigger one, and I'm just happy that they finally ship internationally through this website now, so that is good. These are all the illustrations, and these are done by the artist is Choi Yeonju. It's so like cute, adorable, but also kind of aesthetic. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, so over here I think it's the wood bar. That's cute. Oh. And okay, and then this is the tie that came with, and I'm just gonna hang them like this. And then the other thing that I got, I've been weighing whether I want to get this or not. I really love the idea of being able to jot down what I do and just be more organized, because sometimes I would forget appointments, I would forget certain things because I try to rely so much on my own memory, but there's just so much things that's going on, like my appointments and then my parents as well. And yeah, so there's like a lot. Yeah, it's I think it's much better to have like a planner of some sort. So I got a lowly day, or no, not a lowly day, oh lowly day. They call this, is this planner or diary? I think a diary, but also works as a planner. I love that it's pretty compact, not too thick, so I can just throw this in my purse. And then it's very minimalistic. So I got the soda color, the peach soda color. So it looks like this. The habit tracker, a yearly plan, monthly, I think also weekly, like so. But yeah, it's very simple. I am really looking forward to use this to the max. I am going to. Will try not to skip a day at all. And I like the way that the weekly has like the bullet section right here and then like a blank space. So I'm thinking for a to-do list you definitely able to do it here, and then like maybe over here is like thought for like the day. But I know that this can be a chore because I tried multiple times before with different planners. I bought so many things trying to decorate it and trying to make it as fun as possible, but it became a chore obviously, and I just kept on like abandoning those planners and never filled them up. So it's such a waste, and that's how like I didn't want to get it at first, but then like yeah, I will try to make this as a part of my daily routine now. So I'm very glad. I'm so happy with this purchase, so I am going to start hanging the calendar. So I'm gonna use this to hang the calendar. Oh gosh. We're taking these nice and slow. Remembering to keep your neck nice and long and keep your gaze looking towards the ceiling. Make sure that you're keeping your chest nice and open as well. I want to share a few saying in this book that really resonate with me. I'm still fairly like in the beginning But right away, the impression of this book hits home. There is a sense of familiarity in the writing. It feels very much like home for me. Um, I guess it has something to do with me not being a Western and just like Asian in general. So, like the writing style is very much different compared to like the Western authors. But yeah, I definitely am more connected and I have no problem completely engrossed in this writing and then the story itself. But there are a few sayings that I feel like this is where I think I could start trying annotate books, because for the longest time I mentioned that I always want to try annotate books. But like all the books that I've read so far, it just didn't really resonate inside me, and so I just couldn't, like, I don't understand what to annotate. But this one, there's this particular, I still remember the page 33, I believe it's right here. Oh yeah. Hmm. So like this is like the explanation of a breakup, and so the character says something along the line of, we met in the middle of the journey and we fell in love, but that doesn't mean we'll always be traveling together. At some point everyone has to find their safe harbor. And so I was like, so yeah, reading that, it really resonates with what I believe right now as well at this point in time. And there's also this one. Okay, so this is also the same character, and so he was asked, why are you staying here when you can travel everywhere? And so he said, I flew all over the world only to end up back at the place I'd known every bit of since I was a child. After all that time, I came back here. That's when I finally realized it wasn't just a question of where I was. It was about something inside me. No matter where I went, no matter who I was with, if I could be honest with myself, then that was where I belonged. I think this really helped to like make me realize, because I've been like a little bit lost, I would say, these days, especially starting the new year. Like I just starting to question about like what I really want to do, what I really need to do in the future, and like to really question it for real, because there are still a lot of uncertainties in the air right now, and so I couldn't really figure out where do I want to settle. So I think this helps me in a way to kind of like open another, to shed some light as to like, as long as I could be honest with what I want, and if I know within me what I really want, true and honest, then like, that's where it is. That's where I should belong to. So yeah, if you want to try to read this, please do. This is a very easy read, but also very deep in a way. So that's like a perfect combination right there. Thank you for being a savior. It's so cold.
Bro, like you?
I didn't know it got this cold. Baby breath?
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that I couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be easy to ignore. You put up with all my till you didn't anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. I have been too self-involved, been protective of my feelings, but somehow you made me fall. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall. And I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. Of my heart to reassure that it couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall. And I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want.
My camera just took a plunge from the counter. I don't know how that happened, but this isn't close now. That is so, like, how? That was like so far away from like the end of the counter, and oh dear. But I don't know what's, yeah, I don't know. Well, it's about time anyway.
Of my heart to reassure that it couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall. And I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. And now I stand here calling at
Showcase.
Yeah.
Showcase.
Showcase.
And it's his store.
CHO, right?
Or he's the manager.
Mhm.
I thought chocolate cakes, no?
No.
Showcase, showcase?
Yeah, showcase. That's how you spell the name of the store. Showcase.
Aha. I thought it showcase.
Nice. I like the enthusiasm, but no, it's just showcase.
Oh, okay.
We should make it ourselves. Let's DIY it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
DIY. I think it has Kanifa.
Kanifa, yeah.
Kanifa.
It's like vermicelli noodles, basically. And you just fry them.
Chocolate bacon.
Have you guys tried chocolate bacon?
What?
I
Oh,
actually
yes,
have.
at Bacon Fest.
Actually,
It's every November.
But yeah, it's just like all the factories.
That means the person that called me, hey, where is this? It's not anywhere. That's why sometimes, and he did mention something about how there are some vendors. You're on this journey, you can take all notes. Totally what it is, I think there it is.
ska räkna nu.
Ja, gör det.